So quite interesting since I last came here. All these marketing layout campaign, there were 3 of them down here, but now they've got a new border. It's so weird now not to actually lift my phone up because it's quite high up, meaning that there's something coming very soon though. The hype is still here, and I'm very excited to be seeing when the first piece of truck arrives. So I don't really know what we're doing today personally, but all I can say is that not going to get much from here for a while now because they're big borders for sure, but all this layout for this new line is still here. So basically, God, this big border, this could mean anything now. This could be the new concept on the way, or could we be seeing a look through from a construction site quite clearly, like they did with Wicker Man? Who knows? But the concept artwork is due to be at some point again, I reckon, because we're now seeing the major work of the one layout, which is that one there. But I reckon something behind us here will start taking place soon. But all this wall, I reckon we're going to see some concept of the next marketing stage of the extras thing. Who knows? But yeah, how weird is that? I can't actually show you what there is now because I normally lift my phone up high and show you what they've kind of done, but no, can't really do that now because all this, and everyone's enjoying themselves, and there's a lot of schools here today. But yeah, didn't realise that how tall this border is now. I reckon we're going to be seeing the next phase of a marketing stage for extras now, in my view. But at least we've got a concept artwork still there, of course. But then, yeah, it makes me wonder how close we are going to be seeing some exciting stuff, though. Oh yeah, there you go. That's what I can show you today for this side. So yes, 6 months ago I started doing this, and I can't believe it. 6 months ago was freezing. 6 months later today, hot. But can't complain. This is British weather though, when you see the differences between the last 6 months. So 6 months ago, the view that we used to see from Mark's Wall was this, and here we are now. Look at this. It is quite amazing. 6 months ago, Canada Creek Rail Station was here where I am viewing now, which is now gone, and this is the view I get 6 months later. It is quite a change. And of course, if I go to my right hand side, used to be all the trees and lake. There's a bit of lake, but this is the view now, and 6 months on. Quite a change, honestly. It is quite sensational. That is currently moving that red machine there. Not the crane, the actual drill machine that goes on the earth. About 6 to 10 meters deep. You can actually see it move as well. I think it's ready to get to its next drill now. Yeah, it's drilling, it's drilling. So yeah, it's all going on. Yeah, so not the crane, the drill is moving. Could actually just see it moving. Yeah, it's still moving. Yeah, so it's obviously now on its process now. And that's another update. That will be it for a while now, until we hear something big. And big means big stuff, like until the first piece of track or support, anything exciting. I think that's where we'll have to wait till those updates starts again, really. But yeah, it's looking good, but still the same like it has been. It just looks like cranes, drills, a lot of foundation work still happening at the minute. But overall, the next phase will be very soon, I reckon, in the next few weeks, I reckon. But overall, please subscribe, see more, and thank you so much for support. 6 months officially today since I started to do my first one. How mad is that? But anyway, good journey, good times. Looking back later on in the years to come to say I've done Project Exodus updates to watch the UK's tallest roller coaster coming to THORPE Park to this day. But anyway, thank you very much. Have a good day.